Welcome back, everyone. We are going to address a common challenge faced by many on their weight loss journey, the dreaded yo yo effect. We will explore why it happens and uncover the foundation of sustainable weight management. So, let's dive in and empower ourselves to break free from this cycle. The yo yo effect refers to the cycle of losing weight, then gaining it back, often with additional pounds. This frustrating pattern occurs when individuals engage in restrictive diets or unsustainable weight loss methods. As a result, their bodies adapt and slow down their metabolism, making it easier to regain weight. To break free from the yo yo effect, we must recognize that the foundation of sustainable weight management lies in our mindset and habits. It is not just about temporary changes, but a lifelong commitment to healthy choices. Without this foundation, it becomes all too easy to rebound to our original weight or even gain more. Positive mindset is crucial for sustainable weight management. Believe in your ability to make lasting changes and approach your journey with self compassion and patience. Focus on progress rather than perfection and celebrate every small victory along the way. Remember, it is about overall health and well being, not just a number on the scale. Healthier habits are the building blocks of sustainable weight management. Gradually introduce changes that align with your goals and lifestyle. This may include meal planning, mindful eating, regular physical activity, stress management, and prioritizing self care. Consistency and commitment to these habits will create a solid foundation for long term success. Don't hesitate to seek support and accountability on your journey. Surround yourself with like minded individuals, join a support group, or work with a health professional or coach. Having someone to share your challenges, successes, and progress can be incredibly empowering and help you stay on track. The yo yo effect can be discouraging, but by understanding its causes and focusing on mindset and habit changes, we can break free from this cycle. Embrace sustainable weight management as a lifelong commitment to your health and well being. Remember, you have the power to create lasting change and achieve the vibrant life you deserve.